Hey guys, so as you can see, we have completed our project in the previous video. So this is an overview video. I will teach you and you will be able to understand the code function in this video. So I will tell you how the code is function in this video. So let's get started. First, let's open all the files we have created. The admin folder, there is one file. Open it and includes connect. We have opened it, and then style. Basically, you know the style is the very basic file. As I am including the source codes, so you can see there. So I am closing it. So first of all, there is one file connect.php. MySQL connect is a function, PHP default function. MySQL select DB to select the database. Now, first of all, the main page. This is a page from which we created for the search, just for input and a submit button, because user have to submit their query and then go to the search.php page to get the result. So here is the basic. So this is only HTML. Here is search.php. First of all, we have started two PHP blocks, one PHP block, and here is queue name for query. To get the query here, one second. To get the query of a user that we are fetching right here, like Facebook. Here, queue. You can see here queue. We are passing through the URL. The queue. We are getting the queue variable. We are saving the value of q in a local variable and echoing this variable here in the title and in the input, and here we have included our connect.php, and here is a MySQL query function. In the PHP is a default function. Select everything from sites. Sites is our table name in the database search project, where title like. Basically we have to put these percent sign that if the query is matching wherever with the title, if we have, if the user have put the title, like let me show you, like if the user has put only C in the search box, then the letter before it and the letter after it, the entire letters after it, will be fetched, will be seen. If there any C, like when I write C, entire data which is having the C keyword in the title are fetched. So we type like function, that's why, and the person sign for fetching all the keywords fetched typed by the keyword user. So, and we are opening the while loop. While loop, we are storing the value of the database in a row variable, local variable basically. MySQL fetch array is a function, and inside that is a query local variable. And here are the basically fetched the data which we have fetched from URL, sorry, database. So here I'm echoing this. Basically with a while loop we have to fetch multiple data, but how we can do this? We can do this if we put while loop, we close it here, then it doesn't work. It fetch only one data. But if we close it here in the PHP block, separate PHP block, after echoing the all the data, then it will repeat it many times until and unless the data of the user query matched by user query is finished. It means that all the data is fetched. So that's why we use it. And here is the insertion form. Here is the form which action is indexed of PHP, the page itself. Here we this is all the same with previous. As you can see, this is a query local variable insert into sites. Sites is a table name, sorry, table name, title, URL description is at rows, and sorry, this is our table name and this is our, yeah, okay, one second. This is our table name and this is our column name. URL title, URL description as our column name, and this is the value we are passing. We saving in this columns, and it should must be in the sequel order. Like first, if the title is first, then it should be have to be assigned first, typed in first place, and its value is also written in the first place, and sequentially we have to write this all, and insert is MySQL query. Basically we also can put here, but we put a separate variable to run it. So we are this is a if statement. If $insert means the local variable. If this query this query whole query is run is running, and is if it is successfully run, then echo submitted. Like we know that if we put values here, the like a test value here, then we are getting a local host says submitted. It is basically an alert. So here is alert, and we can also write else echo. We have to copy this whole thing, go to C and then go to C, and we have to write not sum. So, and we also have to basically put required here to just validate in HTML5. It is a default function. You have to just put require sign. So okay, as we go, if we put this, we have to put a value here also, and here also. You can see the empty value cannot be run. So here it is. If you like this, subscribe, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Rahul Gangotri is. I'm putting the link in the description below. And if you like this, and if you have any query, then you can message me. I'm putting my email ID in the description below. Thanks. Stay tuned for the next tutorials coming soon on my YouTube channel. So thanks.